inside the factory. This is how things are made.
In Denmark, a factory runs 24 hours a day, making what might be the world's most perfect toy.
It starts with ABS plastic, precise, durable, engineered to snap together perfectly every time. Heated to 232 degrees. Molten plastic forced forward under 25 tons of pressure. 7 seconds. That's all it takes. Molten plastic becomes a perfect brick.
Millions every hour, each one identical to within 0.02 of a millimeter. Cameras scan every brick. AI checks every dimension. Imperfect ones? Rejected instantly. Cameras scan every brick. AI checks every dimension. Imperfect ones? Rejected instantly. Rejected bricks are ground down, recycled, reborn. Nothing wasted. Nothing lost. For printed bricks, precision pad printing applies designs microscopic in detail.
Clutch power, the force that holds them together, engineered to mathematical perfection.
Sorted by robots. Thousands of shapes. Millions of bricks. Organized into sets.
Bagged, boxed. Instructions included. A complete creative experience, ready to build. Final inspection. Every set checked. Quality confirmed. This is Lego standard. Warehoused. Cataloged. Millions of sets, waiting to become something new.
From Denmark to 140 countries, billions of bricks building billions of dreams.
Subscribe for more factory processes.